Oh my god, hunters!
Yep. I'm going in, boys! Holy shit.
Yeah, okay. Oh, and they got the bugs flying overhead. I didn't even realize that.
They turned off my car. They turned off my car. Ooh. Wait, but
Oh, can't we just run into the hunters and they just die?
I just tried, and you know what happens? They just,
Oh yeah, you died.
Yeah, he just went
you
up,
died. I
and
forgot
the
that.
other- Yeah, and the other guy played a badminton with my body.
Oh my god.
I mean, if you're hacking Animal Crossing, why not hack Pokemon to get like any shiny one?
I mean, I did hack Pokemon. I'm not gonna say I did. I'd be lying if I said I didn't. I just didn't get any shiny.
There you
I
go!
wasn't trying to do all that.
Oh, he's on the high ground! He's on the high ground! Why is he in the air?
I don't know. Your guess is as good as mine.
Oh my god. This is why we don't run them over. Because now we can't shoot him.
Yeah.
Oh man. Get down from there. Seriously, he's just looking at me.
That is funny. Hello.
Where's the other one? Okay, he's coming closer.
Okay. Alright, I killed him. Huh? Oh, wait, who's shooting me? Oh, it's this flying bastard.
This dude won't die.
Do we got any more flying bitches?
Shit. Okay.
Oh, you killed him.
Okay, he's like eating every bullet I serve him. I'm trying to make sure. Yeah, he's in the air.
Yeah, he's on the corner. He's just sitting.
It's like I'm out of the fight. I'm on timeout. I don't care anymore. I don't want to get down. I'm scared of bites.
He has to die somehow.
He's like, no. All because I launched it.
Let me see if I can go up the other way. Let me see. 1 second.
Ah!
I can. Huh? Hello? Lewis? No, you can't. Jesus freaking Christ.
So if you
He
get
is
close,
up.
if you get close enough, he'll start shooting again.
No, yeah, he is up. He is up there.
He's scared. He's scaring me. Leave me alone. Push him off. Push him off. Yeah.
I mean, we may have to.
I can't aim any higher. Shit.
Oh, he fell off.
Yay!
Where's he at? Where's he at? Where is he? Did he fall? Oh, he's there. Oh God.
Where are you?
I am on the bridge. I'm looking at him. He's looking at me. Oh, okay. Never mind. Hey, hello.
Oh, okay, he died.
No, I think he's still up there. I don't think he died.
That was his body though. He's lifeless.
Ah!
I'm going.
Oh, okay.
in.
I'm not.
Oh, well, shit. Yeah, that's his body. It's lifeless. I can see it.
Okay. But to answer your question about me hacking Pokemon, I did with Sword and Shield. With Scarlet and Violet, I did not do that. Only because oh my God! What the hell was that?
Only needs up close recon on those
I got body
spires.
launch.
We're gonna fly you the rest of the way.
Jesus Christ.
George has a Falcon and bound your position, Lieutenant.
Oh, okay.
Commander, I'm going to set up a forward observation post here.
Copy.
What the? What was that?
Every rig had to put the brakes on. And then he went for all the Marines. He went for all the Marines. Killed him. Oh my god.
What was that?
I'm so glad I recorded it.
I was not expecting that at all.
That was so fucking
Well
funny.
done, 6. Only needs up close recon on those spires.
I thought I had the
We're
brakes
gonna
Let
on.
me get away.
I thought I had the brakes on and killed all 5 of these guys and then went for your ass.
Highlighting the engine now. Commander, I'm going to set up a
That
forward
was so
observation post here.
Copy.
You wanted to
Wait on your
knock
intel.
people
See
off.
what you can see. Carter out.
Alright, I have to ask, you need to check your mic because you sound like you're underwater.
My stuff.
Okay, how about now?
That's better. I think
Alright,
killed,
I had to switch.
I
Huh?
think I killed Cat.
I believe it.
Oh!
I had to,
Okay.
what?
Spotted some nasty business.
What happened?
On the way
I was
down.
looking at...
Call out targets as we go.
Is she on the ship?
Probably. And I still haven't used the freaking sniper. I haven't used the sniper, not once.
We're using the grenade launcher.
Top of the canyon, dead ahead.
Yeah, I'm okay with that. Oh, is that the one that we used in the beginning?
Yep.
Oh my!
Goodbye, I'm in the ground. Oh, bounce stuff.
What the? Lewis, what was that? What the?
I didn't know I could do that.
Top of the canyon.
What the hell, man?
You can actually, god damn it, yeah, we got the bouncy ones. I've been shooting at the wall and they came straight back to the cabin.
Top of the canyon, dead ahead.
Did you forget about the mechanics of this game, man? Die, you rebel badass! Oh, I did something.
Shoot the poop in the hole! Shoot the poop in the hole!
Yay, I did something!
Oh god, the elites.
Why? Oh my god. What the?
Top of the canyon, dead ahead.
Do we still see like gameplay like this in today's games where like you have to do ride-alongs?
Probably.
I just don't recall anything like this in recent games.
Nah.
Not even Call of Duty. Usually Call of Duty does a lot of that. Ender did.
You know what? You're not wrong.
It's like ride-alongs used to be not my favorite as a kid, but it felt necessary for the plot.
Yeah, I can see that.
But nobody wants this stupid tree.
How did I die?
Oh my god, Mark.
Top of the canyon, dead ahead.
I'll just two-handed damn thing.
Oh god, all my
I gotta keep shooting, man.
Check the ground. Check the ground. Check the ground.
No, I did. I know.
Ah!
What did you do?
I saw that.
The fact that you were quiet the whole time is just crazy. I can see that. No, why we're going into the shield?
Affirmative, sir. Here we go.
What?
We're going down.
Lois.
We were at the cutscene and we
Cover the
said
canyon, dead ahead.
What did you do?
that was so funny.
Lewis. We did so much hard work, sir.
That was so fun. We died and it triggered the cutscene. Oh my.
Oh my god. Ugh.
I can't believe that triggered the cutscene. That was amazing. I got the Marine.
All I seen,
I got the Marine
all I
off the
seen was a screen that said "friendly fire."
I got the Marine
Oh
on the
my.
side over here on the passenger just looking at me dead in the island.
If I was at Marine, I would have the gun pointed at you because of what you do. Because I think this is like what, mission 4 or 5 or something like that.
I want to say 5. We did actually do a pretty big chunk.
Ah, the turret got me.
It's not fun. Stupid tree.
I know, right?
Boing.
Ah, you turret.
We did it, we
Ah.
did it, we 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 did it.
I killed the turret. Eh.
I can't destroy the stupid tower. Alright.
Unfortunately.
We did it, boys.
Don't shoot it this time.
We're at the race.
Latest intel suggests these spires may be
I was so disappointed. Lois.
Affirmative, sir.
Okay, stop
Here we
it.
go.
Oh.
We just lost all power. We're going down.
What happened?
Cover the canyon, dead ahead.
What happened? Lewis.
I'm gonna show you the clip when this is over. I'm gonna
Oh
show you the
my
clip
God.
When this is over.
God damn you, Lewis.
I'm gonna show you the clip when this is over. Helicopter purgatory.
Cover the canyon, dead ahead.
It seems like it at this point. Jesus Christ.
We're gonna be so good at helicopter shooting, they're gonna have to promote us.
Honestly, I don't even want to know what they will promote us to because we keep dying. What the Lewis?
It wasn't me.
It said you killed us.
I did. I actually did it. I'm gonna show you everything that I'm doing here. Everything. You may blame me for all the cutscene guys.
Dead ahead.
What?
It's true that you did kill us on a cutscene.
Yeah, because I need to show you how that happened. That was amazing compared to the last one.
Oh my God. Okay.
Because it really synced in. It really synced in with the cutscene and made it look like I killed us in the movie.
You did.
But in the movie, it was in the cutscene.
Oh my god.
Oh, you're dead.
This elite is running for his life. Jesus Christ. Okay. There we go.
Oh. He's going into the water.
Solid copy. Dot.
Latest intel suggests these spires
Okay.
have electromagnetic cloaking shields.
Don't kill us this time.
Affirmative, sir.
Lewis. Lewis. Lewis!
We just lost all power.
Okay. Lewis.
Okay, I'm done. Okay, I just know how to do it now. I just know how to do it. I just really know how to do it.
What the hell?
Okay, I'm done. I'm done.
This is really purgatory. This is really purgatory right now.
Freaking amazing. Oh god. Oh shit. Thank you, sir. There you go. Okay, I'm done.
I love you, man. You know that, right?
Hey, so I'm going to show you the clip all 3 times. I'm telling you, I know how to time it now.
That's 4 times.
No, that's 3.
Solid copy. Dot.
Latest intel suggests these
Oh my
spires
god.
Okay, I'm not going to do it. Hands off the mic. Or hands off the trigger.
I was supposed to say that's the wrong thing.
Affirmative, sir. Here we go.
Oh my god, that was beautiful.
We just lost all power. We're going down.
Lock your armor, Spartan!
Brace for a hard landing.
Okay. Can I do I have time to actually go use the bathroom now?
I don't think it's over. Yeah, it's not over.
Damn it.
No, you go pee in your big boy pants now.
Ah.
Stay here.